This is how you're going to speed up delivery on Temu. So first up is you're going to select express shipping. So at checkout, make sure to choose express shipping instead of standard. So we're just going to try and check out one of these items right here. So for example, we want to check out this one. I'm going to add this to my cart, and then I'm going to go to cart, and then from here we are going to click on express checkout with PayPal. So this not only allows you to check out a lot faster compared to a standard checkout, it also allows your product to be delivered expressly. Next is you're going to order early in the week. So placing orders Monday to Wednesday helps avoid weekend delays. Tip 3 is you're going to avoid split orders. So try to buy multiple items from the same seller or store to avoid separate packages. So for example, you want to buy a lot more items, not just this one. So we're just going to go to their store, and then we're going to look for the same or like different items that we can add to cart, so that it doesn't we can avoid split orders. Next is step 4. We're going to check seller ratings. So sellers with high ratings usually process and ship faster. So make sure that you check on the reviews by the customers as well before you buy anything from their store. Next is tip 5. You're going to track your order. So in the Temu app, just head over to your profile, which is going to go back, and then from here, you're going to click on your orders and account, and then you're just going to hit on the processing, or especially the shipped if your item's already shipped and you want to track it. And then from here, you can view the tracking information, and then you can also contact support if your order is delayed. And that is how you can speed up delivery on Temu. Here are your tips and tricks. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.